Welcome back to the Cookbook Club. Today we're making chewy peanut butter brownies. I'm going to be able to taste this because there's no chocolate in these brownies. They're more like Blondies. We're cooking out of Fannie Farmer's, the 1990 revision by Marion Cunningham. We have the original from 1890s. We have the first revision from Marion Cunningham from 79. Today we're busting out the newest, and is it the final edition from 1990? Welcome to the Amy Learns Cook Kitchen. So we are continuing our journey through the Fannie Farmer Cookbook franchise, right? That started out as the Boston Cooking School Cookbook, renamed the Fannie Farmer Cookbook. When she passed away, it went through a bunch of revisions and people basically ruined the book, right? And James Beard's assistant came along in 79 and revamped it and turned it in back to the original amazing that it is, and actually expanded it in a way that just took it to a whole nother level. She revised it in 79, and then also she revised it in 1990. She has since passed away, so there won't be any more Marion Cunningham revisions. But I'm going to tell you, these are a gem. If you're building your cookbook library, get these. I would start with the Marion Cunningham and add this on for nostalgia, right? We are cooking our way through the book. So we did angel food cake, which was amazing. We made chocolate cake with creamy chocolate frosting.
Yeah, and I can certify that was delicious because it's gone.
Today we're making chewy peanut butter brownies, which these are more like Blondies because they don't have any chocolate in them. The peanut butter is the star of the show. Let's get to it. So we're back with my little KitchenAid classic. I love this mixer. So we're starting out this party with some butter.
Softened butter.
A little softened butter. Yum, yum butter. No margarine butter. No parquet butter.
I mean, you can use parquet. The problem is we can't guarantee your mixer won't abandon you.
Everybody eating it will abandon you. Yeah, we can't go there. Minimally processed or non-processed. Real ingredients.
Straight from a cow, right?
So we're going to cream this up a little bit. And so we're going to get some little bit of brown sugar in here. This uses brown sugar instead of regular granulated sugar because it's going to be chewy. Got some bits in there. Some brown sugar bits. Yeah, they'll melt. They will not withstand a 350 oven.
You're saying Sugar Bear didn't quite do his job?
Sugar Bear is amazing.
He is amazing.
He is amazing, that little bear. I'm going to put in a little vanilla. And a couple of eggs. A little scrape-a-doodle. I don't know why, but the paddle that I grabbed is not a scraper. Oh, that makes a cook happy. So we're gonna I got some flour here, only a little bit of flour. Baking powder and a little bit of salt, our dry ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and mix those in, and we're gonna give them a whirl. A whirl and a scrape, a whirl and a scrape, scrape-a-dee-dape, a whirl and a scrape. Hey, hey! He's sitting there looking at me like I'm crazy. Well, I am, so that's all right. A whirl and a scrape, a whirl and a scrape. Yeah. Woo! Give me a little scrape. We got some chopped peanuts. These are salted peanuts. It doesn't say either way, but that's what I have, so. Go ahead and give this a little whirl. To the pan!
Yeah.
Okay, so she asked for a square 8x8, but I think I only have a 9x9, so that's what I got. She says grease it. I'm putting a foil sling so I can just lift this baby out of here. Eric keeps asking me, those don't look like brownies. No, they're really Blondies. They're brown. They're like a giant peanut butter cookie, kind of. So we're going to put this in here, like this, see? I could put a peanut butter frosting on these.
Peanut butter on peanut butter action? Really?
Might be a little too much. Could just use white frosting. And we're going to go ahead and spread these out in this here pan. I am. Oh, these smell really good because I do love me some peanut butter cookies. I don't know if this is going to puff up any.
Bobo.
You don't want it to puff too much because you want it chewy.
Well, the difference between 8x8 and 9x9
is quite a bit, I think.
Yeah, it is. It's like 30 square inches difference.
Yeah. I might have an 8x8 somewhere in my... But I also have foil on here, which takes up a little bit of that, right?
Yeah, a little.
And guess where this is gonna go?
In my oven.
To the oven.
Oh, to the oven?
Okay, our chewy peanut butter brownies are out of the oven. And the reason I did it in a sling is because it comes out this easy. That is the easy way to remove something from a pan, right? Okay, so let's get it out of this contraption. So I'm just going to tear back the foil like this. The fun part is possibly getting it onto the board. That's how you do it. See, Boo? Mm-hmm. You didn't have confidence in me. Okay, so this is looking kind of pretty. But you guys know I'm extra, right? So you can't just cut it like this and be all happy ding ding. But I made some peanut butter frosting.
Yeah.
I know, everybody's going to say, where's the recipe for the peanut butter frosting. I made it while it was in the oven. The next upload will have this recipe. I didn't want to make this video too long, especially for people who don't want to frost these. But I can tell you this frosting is amazing.
Yeah.
So hold tight. It will be on the next upload.
I said you cut these bars and make a sandwich and then put the frosting in the middle.
Can I just do this with a spoon? Or should I be doing this with an offset? This is just country style, right? Nothing fancy about it. This frosting takes it over the top. Takes Marion / Fannie Marion over the top. How about that, boo?
Crazy.
Okay, time to give us all the Cutarooski. I think I'm going to start by cutting them down the middle. I have a serrated knife here. Ho, ho, ho. I don't know if I did this evenly. I don't think you mind, do you, boo? Do you mind that I didn't cut them evenly?
I don't care because they're not going to last that long.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They look amazing.
Bring it closer to me, my pretty.
These look amazing. And yeah, I will have that video up for the frosting. Here you go, my boo-boo-boo. There's one for boo-boo. I want a centerpiece. So this recipe is like a triple play, right? We have Fannie, we have Marion, and we have Amy on the frosting. Look at that. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's a peanut butter explosion.
But in a good way, though.
So good.
You got peanuts, peanut butter, Blondie, the frosting.
It is chewy.
It's chewy, it's light, it's moist.
Wow. We have recipe number 3 as a winner.
Mm-hmm.
An absolute winner.
Mm-hmm.
These might be the best yet. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Stay tuned. The frosting will be up on the next upload.
Refill.
These are a winner.
On.
Chewy Peanut Butter Brownies / Blondies with a peanut butter frosting. These are a winner. Thanks for joining me.
Refill. I did it for my health. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.